Now that we have successfully installed the ANSYS software, we have to set up the license so that we can actually use it. To do this, go back to the installation page for the student version and select Download for the license key. This will again open up the Download Manager, and your download will begin for the ANSYS student license. Go ahead and open up the Downloads folder to view the license file. From here, we will move it to somewhere that is not a temporary folder, because the license needs to stay in one place for the whole time that you use ANSYS. So we will select Cut, and we will move it to our local disk, Program Files, ANSYS Inc., Shared Files, and Licensing. And we can right-click and paste right into here. Now we can right-click and extract the license file. You will notice an 8-digit number associated with your license file. This number is specifically associated with you, and so you will need to remember this number when we plug it into a system variable later on. In order to set this license file as the variable that the system will select whenever we open up ANSYS, we need to first go and open up our control panel by selecting Windows and Control Panel. From here, select System and Security, and then select System. From here, you'll find the link to Advanced System Settings. Then select Environment Variables. From here, we have to define a new system variable, so select New. The variable name will be ANSYS LMD underscore license underscore file. And under variable value, you would need to type in the location of the ANSYS student license file that we had saved before. In order to do this easily, you can open up the ANSYS student folder and right-click, copy address as text. Then we can go back to the variable value and right-click and paste. Now all we need to do is add the name of the license file, which is ANSYS underscore student underscore and then the number value. Again, this value is likely different for your computer than for mine, and so make sure that you type in exactly the value that you see under your license file, and then select OK. And select OK. Now that we have successfully set up the license file, let's check to make sure that the ANSYS student version runs. We can go to Windows, All Programs, ANSYS 16.2, and run Workbench 16.2. Congratulations! You've successfully installed ANSYS and set up the license file so that you may use it. Now you're ready to enjoy the course and use ANSYS.